Today I will guide you on how to add our dimmer lights to the knob screen. First, configure the network for the device. Long press the OK button on the knob screen and find the Wi-Fi option. Open the Smart Partner app, click the plus sign in the top right corner to add the device. Then connect to the Wi-Fi of the LAN and wait for the network configuration to succeed. After the network configuration is completed, start adding the dimmer light. Press and hold the power button of the dimmer light for 3 seconds. The indicator light will flash blue, which indicates the dimmer light is in pairing status. Found a dimmer light will be displayed on the knob switch screen. Press the OK button to pair. Now you can control the brightness and color temperature of the light.